Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to model a handcart with Polygon primitives. In this lesson we shall know how to use a polygonal cylinder. As well, we shall use a polygonal cube. Also, we shall know how to use wedge face tool. Let us start our lesson by changing the options of polygonal cylinder. First of all, open a new file. In a new file, create a polygonal cylinder with different values than its default values. By default values, we see it is being created on y-axis. We'll change its origin axis on x-axis and then hit the create button. Now we have a cylinder in our workspace on x-axis. It is in wireframe mode. Let's change its mode to the shaded mode. Go to the shading menu and choose smooth shade all. With smooth shade, now we shall resize our cylinder. Try to reshape it like a wheel shape. Now we are going to use the bevel tool for softening the hard edges of our cylinder. For this purpose, how shall we select the loop of the edges of our cylinder? Go to the select menu if you are working in Maya 2009. Choose the select edge loop tool. You will see a tip saying double click on edge for full edge loop. So we shall double click one of the edge for the selection of loop. We shall include the loop of opposite side of cylinder. And now we are going to use the bevel tool. Choose the bevel tool. We see the edges of the cylinder has been beveled. So now we have a wheel-like shape. And now we are going to use a Boolean operation for the axle of our wheel. Create another cylinder, polygonal cylinder, and resize it into your favorite shape. We shall subtract now the new cylinder from the old one. Select the old cylinder first and then press Shift key on keyboard and select the second new cylinder. Go to the mesh menu, choose the Boolean operation and choose the difference. Now we have a hole for our wheel's axle. Now we are going to create a polygonal cube to model the handle of our handcart. At this point, hide your first object which is disturbing us while shaping the handle of our handcart. Open the channel box and change the value of visibility from on to off, or simply write here the figure 0 and hit enter. And now we shall make the elbow-like shapes. We shall create an elbow-like shape on both sides of this cube with the help of edge face tool. Just go to the component level of object, simply right click and choose face. We need two faces from both of the side of this cube. We shall make our desired shape one by one. Select a face from one side of the cube and then right click and choose the edge and hit shift and hold and select the edge, and now you are ready to use the wedge face tool. Repeat this action on the opposite side, and now use the extrude tool for creating the arms of your cart's hand.